Shandong Jinbao New Materials Company Limited is a premier PVC foam board manufacturer integrating R&D production, sales, and service. We are dedicated to providing global customers with high-end PVC foam boards that exceed international standards. Our products are exported to over 120 countries, serving more than 2,000 clients, and have earned widespread recognition and favor among European customers. A reliable partnership goes beyond supplying goods. It's about helping our customers profit. That's why Jinbao focuses on high-end, differentiated boards. Through continuous R&D investment, we help every partner build unique offerings in their region and regain full pricing power. Jinbao PVC advertising boards feature a perfectly flat uniform and fine surface, free from crystal points, scratches, or pits. After UV printing, they offer excellent ink absorption and high color fidelity with colors that are completely scratch-resistant. Their toughness, hardness, and whiteness index significantly outperform industry peers. Jinbao anti-mold and antibacterial cabinet boards are free of formaldehyde, lead, mercury, phosphorus, and benzene, and are certified by Reach Rose and SGS. With superior screw-holding strength exceeding industry standards, they are trusted by numerous large-scale furniture manufacturers. To ensure consistency, we utilize a fully automated unmanned smart feeding system. Stable mixing guarantees stable product quality. We only thrive when our customers succeed. Empowering our clients to achieve their goals is the core mission of Jinbao.
I'm Alan from Jinbao. For these years, Jinbao just only do one thing: make PVC foam board better. Goes beyond supply. It's about make your perfect. Jinbao focuses on promoting differentiated products. We continue R&D. We help you building exclusive regional product and take back marketing price power. Jinbao looks forward to cooperating with you.